Your tablet won't boot up, but your PC still detects it. Don't panic. This means your device is likely software bricked. And today I'll show you 3 ways to revive it. Why this happens? Because corrupted system files, failed OTA, update, bootloader crash. Good news, you can fix this. Method 1. Force turn down. Connect the tablet to the PC with a USB cable. Open the device manager and find the port that displays the tablet. Then press and hold the volume and power buttons on the tablet for at least 20 seconds until the port disappears in the device manager. Then release the buttons and press and hold the power button to try to turn it on. If method 1 does not work, try the next 2 methods. Please note, both method 2 and method 3 will lose all your tablet data. If you cannot accept the loss of all data, please do not use these 2 methods to rescue the device. Method 2. Try forcing recovery mode. Please press and hold the power button. Wait 122 south. Then press and hold volume down button and volume up button too until the Lenovo logo appears on the tablet screen. Then release the power button and keep pressing other buttons. Release the volume up and volume down buttons until the recovery interface appears on the tablet screen. Select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Select Factory Data Reset. Select Reboot System now. If the current method successfully repairs the tablet will automatically boot up and enter the system initialization page. If you cannot enter the recovery mode, you need method 3 to flash the stock firmware. Please charge the tablet for several hours, then press and hold the power and volume down buttons for 20 seconds at the same time to force the tablet to shut down. Then open the software fix software on the PC and use its rescue function to flash the tablet. For specific flashing methods and software fix methods, please refer to the videos posted on my YouTube channel before. Did it save your tablet? If it didn't, or you cannot accept data loss, then we recommend that you take the tablet to a nearby repair station for repair and try to find the repair method that does not lose data. If it did, smash that like button. For more tech rescue guides, subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.